and I'm going to show you how you can make a lovely weight loss salad. This is some iceberg lettuce and simple grated carrot. Alright, I didn't show you how I cut up the iceberg lettuce, but on the carrot this guy's easy. Alright, now I have some fresh mint which I'm going to put straight inside of it like this. Alright guys, so you have to, you know what I mean, if you want to do yourself a nice lovely weight loss right here, this is what you can do. Alright, so we're going to put some fresh mint in it, and that's definitely going to give it a lovely minty fresh smell. Next we have some cucumber which I'm going to run through it. I'm just going to simply cut up my cucumber really fine, not too chunky but fine, and put it straight inside of it like this. And it's the same thing with this also. And that is lovely. All I have to do is just use your hand and run it through it like this. Same thing, I have some celery, and I'm just simply cutting up my celery really fine. And that is lovely and nice. Secondly, tomato. I love to put tomato in my salad. And I'm just using a large tomato. I'm just gonna run it straight through it like this. And I'm gonna crack a little bit of pepper. That is lovely, and also a little bit of dried chili flakes, because that's gonna bring in a lovely spicy to this beautiful salad. Not only that, if you have some lovely fresh lemon juice, simple, squeeze some lime juice in it like this. That is lovely. And all you're going to do, use your hand and just fold in the salad just like this. Secondly, you always can get yourself a lovely dressing if you like to, but me personally don't like too much of the artificial dressing. I'd rather make my own dressing with some garlic and apple cider vinegar and olive oil. But this is simple, which you can put with your dinner and to balance of your dinner. And also it's so weight loss salad recipe which you guys definitely can also use for weight loss. All right, it's a really healthy salad right here, and I want to take the time out to say, if you like this recipe, please leave your comments in the description box, and also please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend.